Today, we dive into critical back-end process most people don't think twice about, API testing. APIs are the workhorses of our digital world, the invisible forces that power our favorite apps, websites, and services. But how do companies make sure they are up to the task behind the scenes? That's where API testing comes in. We'll explore 9 testing types, from initial smoke checks to overloaded stress runs and more. Imagine you just built a new website and want to make sure everything is functional before launching. Smoke testing is like a quick test drive for APIs. We run basic tests to confirm the API is working and responding to simple requests. Next, picture a QA specialist meticulously testing every feature of a new software program. Functional testing does the same for APIs. We create detailed test cases to ensure all functionalities of the API are working as expected and meet specific requirements. These functional test suites ensure features like product search, adding items to cart, and secure checkout are all working. Large-scale systems can involve many different APIs working together seamlessly. Integration testing ensures these diverse APIs and cloud services communicate and exchange data correctly. For example, for a travel booking website, integration testing verifies that the airline reservation API properly coordinates with payment, passenger identity, and other systems behind the scenes. And of course, new updates and code changes can inadvertently introduce problems. Regression testing replaces existing test cases against updated versions of the API to check for defects or regressions. This allows developers to iterate without worrying about collateral damage, no taking one step forward and two steps back. Load testing evaluates real-world performance by bombarding the API with high user volumes. Stress testing takes this to the extreme, simulating drastic traffic spikes and edge conditions way beyond normal usage. Both prepare APIs to maintain responsiveness and stability during crunch times, whether it's a holiday e-commerce rush or a viral social media hit. Security is very important as APIs access sensitive systems and data. Security testing probes APIs for any weaknesses or loopholes that could allow unauthorized access or cyber threats. Proactively addressing vulnerabilities fortifies APIs against attacks to keep customer data safe, just like a bank vault protects valuables. The user experience is very important as well. UI testing ensures API contribute to a seamless user experience. Fast response times during map rendering and navigation in ride-sharing apps, for example, directly correlate to positive UI perceptions. Fuzz testing takes it one step further by deliberately throwing malformed, unexpected, or randomly generated data at APIs to identify edge cases. Subjecting systems to unusual data volumes and formats hardens them against unpredictable real-world usage down the line. And there you have it, the 9 essential types of API testing that keep our digital world running smoothly. Each one plays a role in ensuring APIs are robust, reliable, and resilient. If you like our videos, you might like our system design newsletter as well. It covers topics and trends in large-scale system design, trusted by 500,000 readers. Subscribe at blog.bytebuygo.com.